Hello, this is Jakey from Kayhan Audio. Today I'm going to teach you how to use your climate controls. So first things first, obviously if you want to turn your climate controls on, all you need to do is tap this button here, or on the bottom right you have this off and on button, tap that. In order to turn AC on and off, all you need to do is access this button right here, tap it on, to obviously tap it once to turn it on, tap it again and it will turn off. In order to access the different modes, as you realize, so the air coming through towards your feet, face, and all those different types of options, all you need to do is tap this button, which will give you access to basically all the different options, including heating up the window. In order to set the climate on auto, so if you'd like it on auto, all you need to do is tap this button. In order to change it back to normal, so manual, all you need to do is just tap right here and it'll automatically come off due to the fact that you're manually tapping it. In order for circulation, so different types of circulation, so like using the outside air and the inside air, all you need to do is tap this button right here. So as you can see, this means it's coming from the outside, whereas this means it's just circulating the air that's currently in the car. So in order to access the menu, what you want to do is tap this. And right here you have the D zone, which means dual zone right now. So right now it's on dual zone. If I twist them down and up, it will go along the driver's side. So the driver's side will control the passenger side as well. That was single zone. So if you want to change it to dual zone, you just tap this button right here. And it will allow you access to use the passenger side's separate speed and temperature and the driver's side. And if you want to set it back to single zone, all you need to do is tap zone and it will automatically go to the same temperature / speed of the driver's side, and you can change both simultaneously through the driver's side. In order to obviously adjust this fan speed, you have these two buttons, so this would obviously increase and this will decrease. You can also do it from here, so if you tap this button or you tap that right there. You can also access the menu through clicking this button if I haven't set it before, or give it a moment as it will automatically turn off. If you want to access it without the button, all you need to do is tap that right there, and there you go, you're back there again. In order to access power speed here, so you just tap this button. You can go all the way up to 20, so right there, 20 is your max, and obviously 0 is your minimum. You can also heat up the rear windows if you do have that option, so if you have a fan or something along those lines over in the back, all you need to do is tap here or tap this button right here, and this will turn that off and on. In order to turn the front windows, windscreens, heater or cooler on and off, all you do is tap this and adjust the temperature. So yeah, that's basically about all the functions on your unit. Thank you for listening.